For this question, we're given a function, and we have to find the equation of a tangent line at a certain point. So if the function looks like this, we have to find the equation of a tangent line whose slope is also -1. So the first thing we have to do is find for which value does our tangent line have a slope of -1. In other words, we have to find the x-coordinate of where these two curves intersect. This whole process is so much easier on a calculator, so let's see how to do it. Okay, in this question, they tell us that the derivative of our function is equal to -1 for a certain point. So our first goal is to figure out for what x-coordinate is the derivative equal to 1 or -1. So how are we going to do that? Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to click F3 and we're going to scroll to the left and go to this thing that says solve. So I'm solving for, I'm going to hit F3 again, the derivative. I'm solving for when the derivative of this function, which is x raised to the 6th minus x raised to the 4th. So the derivative of x to the 6th minus x to the 4th, this comma is going to represent with respect to x. We're taking the derivative d dx, right? So I'm solving for the derivative of this function when it's equal, where's that equal sign? Equal to -1. And what am I solving for here? Well, I'm solving for x. It's a little interesting notation, but it kind of makes sense if you try to explain it to someone. The best way to understand it is actually trying to teach someone how to use the calculator. So this sentence says, I'm solving for x when the derivative of this function is equal to -1. So let's go ahead and press enter. And it's taking a second. It's saying busy down here. Good. All right, there we go. And it says x is equal to -0.93355. So when x is -0.93355, the derivative is equal to -1. So this is useful for us because we're going to come back up here, press diamond and y, and we're going to input our function. So we have x raised to the 6th minus x raised to the 4th. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to graph it. Let's press diamond. Let's press diamond F3. And we're going to graph this. Saying busy. It's still graphing. So I'm assuming it graphed it at this point. I'm going to zoom out just to see what's happening. F2 and zoom out. Sure. Yeah, let's see where our graph is. There it is. It's an awkward looking graph, but that's it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Math, F5, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down till we see this thing that says tangent. And what we're going to say is, they're going to say is tangent at what point? Well, we're going to say the tangent at when x is equal to -0.93355. And they give us a tangent line. And they give us a very, very, very close estimate, right? So we already know that this guy will be rounded to -1. So the slope here is -1, which is what they told us in the question, that the derivative is equal to -1. And this is our y-intercept, -1.031. And which answer choice is that? It's answer choice A. So there we go.